We are doing a very small upgrade in our master bathroom. So in this case here, it's the shower. When we did our bathroom, we installed just the that shower head that you see. It gives a good shower and we can move it about to the direction that we like. But we honestly did not realize that we would have missed the handheld part of it because we're so used to having it. And then what we also wanted is to have a rain shower. We had that previously. So we wanted that again. Although that one we had previously, the packaging described it as rain shower, but nothing like this one. This one is so much better, and the handheld part of it is really nice because it has different settings like the massage and these other ways that the water comes out of it. So you're gonna see that in a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna show you that. So as you can see, we can move the shower to the position that we like. So you see the different settings. This one is my favorite. I really like that one. It feels really good on my back. Now we have to install crown moldings in our bathroom. We just haven't gotten to doing that yet, but you will see coming up shortly where my husband installed some molding around our medicine cabinet, and it has made a huge difference with the way that it looks.